Okay, so I'm trying to recap how I quoted Drucker. Um, that if you say a busboy, his activities are to, clean off tables and get the dishes back to the dishwasher and then take the clean dishes to the cook and then clean up any messes that occur. And those are absolutely the correct activities, but it doesn't say anything about who he's doing it for or how his activities help other people. And so Drucker strongly urged you to say, okay, what are your contributions to other people's effectiveness? So, okay, so for a busboy, that would be you go to the host and you say, hey, host, you can count on me that anytime you want to seat a new party of diners, there will be a clean table somewhere. And if there's not, I want you to jump on me with both feet, because that's my commitment to you, is that I'm going to make it easy for you to get diners seated. And go to the waitresses and say, I will keep your tables cleaned and the environment will be clean. If there's a spill and you need it cleaned up, you just let me know. I'm going to be on it, and the bathrooms will be clean, and you won't have to worry about apologizing to the diners for the state of this restaurant. Okay. And I'll get the dishes cleared away. And he goes to the dishwasher and says, I'm going to keep you supplied with dirty dishes. I'm going to get the clean dishes out of here so you got room to work. Goes to the cook and says, I'm going to have clean dishes stocked for you at all times, so you're never like finishing cooking something and wondering where's the plate to put it on. Okay, those are my 4 commitments. And it's not at all, it's the same activities, but it's couched completely differently, because you're now talking about how am I in service to everybody else to help make their jobs easier. And now they know what to expect from me, and I know what they expect from me. And if there's ever, problems, they'll know who to talk to. And I volunteered. I came to them and said all this. So they should have no problem coming back to me and saying, dude, you promised me clean tables. Look at section 3. And if I have integrity, I will smack myself in the forehead and say, oh my God, you're so right. Let me get on, or whatever. And if I'm, so over capacity that I can't simultaneously meet all my commitments, I can raise my hand with integrity to my boss and say, boss, I'm totally swamped. I'm letting the cooks down. I'm letting waitresses down. I need backup here. And you say it with total integrity, and you'll get the support of your coworkers.
Yeah.
Even though you don't report to the cooks or the waitress or anybody, but you're stitching it all together through this sense of the flow of responsibilities that create excellence in the workplace. So that kind of perspective is obviously valuable, and only you can really do it for you. Your boss can kind of help you do that or ask you to draft it, but it's kind of on you. And it's exactly the kind of thing people love it when you do it on your own. And like, go voluntarily talk to the people who are upstream and downstream and side stream from you and say, hey, here's my contribution to you. How am I doing? What could I do to make it better for you? Hey, you're upstream from me. Am I easy for you to be down? My downstreamness from you? Am I like receiving things the way you want to give them? Am I giving you the feedback you need to do a better job for me? And these are very adult conversations. And when you say it out loud, it's like, well, yeah, we should all do that. Nobody does.